On the boundless ocean waters sailed the old wooden ship Mulo.
Its captain was a cat named Captain Basil. Captain Basil stood on the deck, gazing into the distance. Suddenly, from the depths of the sea emerged a mermaid.
An evil sea monster had stolen. Clarissa told him that her hometown was in danger. She asked for help. Together, they dug to the ocean floor. The battle was fierce.
But thanks to Captain Cat's bravery and Mermaid Cat's magic,
they emerged victorious. The artifact was returned. Their story became a legend among sailors.